Hey guys, it's Jamie here. I am so sorry. I nearly forgot the prize draw. So it's now about 3 in the morning on the 2nd of January and this should have been done on the 1st. Apologies. Anyway, everyone's name's in here, so let's give it a little scrunchy uppy and see what we've got. I'm keeping my eyes closed, by the way, in case you're wondering. So I'm just sort of trying to move them a bit with my hands. Okay, I better open my eyes. Okay, so the winner is Kelly Leah. I will be messaging Kelly in tomorrow at a decent time and putting this on the message board, etc., so everyone knows that the Gothic Horror Journal winner was Kelly. And yeah, there'll be another competition when I hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm about just over 100 short of that, so soonish. Thank you. Congrats, Kelly.